Hi creative team, welcome to Ellie's Creative Corner. Thank you so much to those who have subscribed. To those who haven't, please subscribe so you can be notified of any of my upcoming videos. Today we have this lovely looking chicken and vegetable sauce that I made for a friend. And you can see we adding our chicken drumsticks to the pan. This pan has no oil because this recipe required no oil. The only form of fats that we were hoping to get was from the chicken itself. And so we're searing the chicken on each side just until it's golden brown. And that is to help build the flavor profile that we wanted. So it's important to add a little bit of salt when you cooking your chicken, and then continue searing it on the sides until it's nice and golden brown. So we added a little bit of ginger, onion, and garlic that I had blended. We also add a little bit of water just to help with the cooking process at this stage. And then we add bay leaf just for added flavor. You could use rosemary, but for this recipe I prefer to use bay leaf. And then we add a little bit of curry powder, just about 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. So cover and let it simmer for a while, about 10 minutes. And as you can see, we just turn it onto the other side so that it also absorbs a bit more of the flavors from the spices. We add a bit of black pepper, so that's just about 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper. And then we add our carrots and pumpkins. So the reason why we're using pumpkin is because I wanted a bit of color, since I'm not using any form of tomato or tomato paste. And then the pumpkins would also just melt into the sauce and create a lot more thickness, and it just makes the sauce look really lovely. But if you don't have pumpkin, just use potatoes. So we add a bit of water. And then we'll leave it to simmer. So I did have some zucchinis, and the intention is to cut it up and add it when the sauce is almost ready, because the chicken needs to cook before we add the zucchinis, as zucchinis are really soft, and once you cook them for a little longer it just gets mushy, and we didn't want that. So it was important to wait till the food was almost ready before adding the zucchini. So here we've added our zucchinis. And then once it just looks a bit translucent on the edges or on the sides, you just take it off the heat and serve it. So here we are, our dish is served, and a really looks delicious and also tastes delicious. So please try it and let me know. And subscribe to Ellie's Creative Corner. Share and like my videos. Thank you.